Hello guys, this is sum number 6 from NPO lesson non-profit organization. I'll read the sum. From the following particulars relating to Radhakrishna Charitable Hospital, Pune, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2020 and balance sheet as on that date. So students, here you can see here you have to prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet 2, receipts and payment account for the year ending 31st March 2020. Then balance carried down, brought down is given. This opening balance will never be recorded. In place of opening balance, we'll record this one. This is the closing balance of cash and bank. Always we record closing balance of cash and bank. This is the subscription received this much in current year. This is the donation, investment, proceeds from charity show, medicine purchased. These are the medicines which are purchased during the year. General expenses, salaries, stationery, expenses in charity show, surgery and dispensary expenses, equipments, balance carried out. This will go to asset. Okay. This equipment will go to asset side. Okay, I'm marking here that equipment will go to asset side. See, these items will be recorded in expenditure side, income side. These are receipt side, no. So these items will be recorded in income side and these items will be recorded in expenditure side. I'll write here for your reference. It will be recorded in income side and this will be recorded in expenditure side. Okay, so I have mentioned here for your reference. These are the additional adjustments, informations. Subscription due. So this much is due. This much items are for the next year's. Last year's items. These are last year's item. That means these are the item in the beginning of current year and these are the items in the ending of current year. Okay, we'll solve. Then here we are having provide depreciation on equipment 1900 and building rupees 1500. Okay, so I'll just put a tick. Subscription due. So here I'm having adjustments, so I'll just put a tick. Then subscription to, okay, these two we are having two adjustments on subscription and then stock of medicines. So here we are having medicines. Then estimated value of equipment, here we are not having any equipment, so let it be. Building, we are not having building, then capital fund, then investment. Then we are having depreciation on equipment, provide depreciation on equipment and building. So I'll just put a tick over here, building and equipment. Okay, now I'll show you. See, this is the income and expenditure account. This is the format of income and expenditure account. This is 20. I'll check the question once again. Yeah, this is March 2020. Okay, so you will be recording all payment side item over here and receipt side item over here. Then we'll check balance sheet. This is the format of balance sheet. I'll check the date, rest is same. So I'll start. Subscription 50,000 will be recorded in inner column. So subscription 52,000 will be recorded in income side. I'll write here buy. Subscription 52,000 will be recorded in another column, and leave 5-6 lines. Then go to the question. Donations 17,500. I'll write here. No, I'll write here by donation. No adjustment, so it will be recorded in outer column. Interest on investment 10,000. Then proceeds from charity show 8,530. No adjustment. Income side is over. Now expenditure side will be recorded all these items. First is medicines purchased. Student, here we are having medicine purchased, then here we are having stock of medicine. Whenever you see such kind of adjustment, then I have to show you what should be the working note. Student, behind this I'll tell you the story. See, this is the hospital, right? Radha Krishna Charitable Hospital. So they will be providing medicines to their patients. This much, they had this much medicine in the beginning of the year, and in the ending of the year they had this much, and this is the further purchased medicines. Now we have to find out medicines consumed. So how to do that? We'll go to expenditure side, and I'll write here to medicines consumed, okay, during year. Below that you will be writing first opening balance of medicine, then you will be adding up further purchase, then less closing balance. Okay, this one is further purchase 41,000. So here I'll write 41,000. okay. General expenses 1,050 rupees. Right. 1,050 rupees. Then salaries 23,500. $23,500. Outer column, because there is no adjustment. Stationery 2,000. Then expenses on charity show 550. Then surgery and dispensary expenses 4,200. Then equipment will go to asset side 10,000. So here too we are having two equipment. One equipment we are having an adjustment, and here too this equipment will be the further purchase. So I'll show you working in asset side. Here you will be writing first opening balance and then add further purchase, which is further purchase is here 10,000. Right here 10,000 and go ahead. Done. Now this one, cash in 960, cash at bank 13,000. Here, because that is the current asset, cash in and 960 and cash at bank 13,000. Okay. Then subscription due. So this much is the last year subscription received in current year. This will be deducted. Okay, because last year subscription received in current year, so it will be deducted. I'll show you how. Less subscription for last year. Okay, how much is that? 310. 310. So we will be getting how much? 52,000 minus 310. Now we'll be adding up current year subscription for current year. 350 will be added up. 51,690 plus, actually here only 50,040 rupees. 50,000 52,040 rupees. 52,040 rupees. Then go to the question. This much is done. We need to give second effect of this. This is subscription due, means subscription receivable. Income receivable will go to asset side. Subscription receivable for current year 350. Then subscription received in advance. This is the last year subscription. It was received in last year. It was received in advance in the last year. That means current year का subscription last year में advance में आया था. Current year का subscription. So this will be added up. Add received in advance. सिर्फ एडवांस लिखेंगे तो भी चलेगा. एडवांस ईयर मेंशन करो. लास्ट ईयर कितना था? It is 600. So 600 will be added up. It will be 52,640. And next, this much is received. This much is paid in advance. 150 current year में पे किया है advance में, so it will be deducted. This will be deducted. advance for next year. How much? This is 150. 150. So we are getting 52,790. 52,790. We'll go ahead. Okay. Second effect of this thing is need to give. This will record in liability side. Subscription for next year. How much? This is 150. Will be recorded in order column. Now these two adjustments are done. Okay, and second effect of this two is need to be given. इसका second effect नहीं देंगे क्योंकि last year में इसका second effect हो गया था, first effect हो गया था, current year में हमने second effect किया. Okay, now this one stock of medicine. This is closing stock and this is opening stock of medicine. Go to the income and expenditure. Opening stock is this much and this is the closing stock. We will check the amount once again. Opening stock is 8,000, closing stock is 11,000, opening stock is 8,000 and this is 11,000. So we'll do the calculation. This is 49,000. Okay, and this will be 49,000 minus 11,000. We get this much. Second effect of this closing balance ka second effect need to give balance sheet asset side. Here we'll write closing balance of medicines 11,000. Okay, second effect of this thing is done and no need to give second effect for this. Estimated value of equipment is 15,000. This is the opening balance of equipment. We go to asset side and here how much is the opening balance? 15,000. So I'll write here 15,000. Then building 40,000 and right here building 40,000. Capital fund 17,940. $17,940. Okay, 17,940. 10% investment 1 lakh. Adjustment is there? No adjustment. Okay, here we are having something. So we'll calculate investment. Record it in inner column. Okay. We have to calculate investment, interest on investment for 10%. Okay. So here we'll be having adjustment. Go to the expenditure. Where is the interest on investment? Where is interest on investment? Here it is on there. Okay, it is here. So I'll show you how to do it. Capital fund is done. Provide depreciation on equipment 1900. Here is the equipment. Right here. Equipment 10,000. Here I'll write less depreciation, or I'll show you in detail. We need to give second effect of this. Together we'll give less. How much? Here is 1500 So 40,000 minus 1500, this much. So 1900 on equipment and 1500 on building. In income and expenditure account, this side, by depreciation on. First is equipment 1900 and then building 1500 is equal to 2400 plus 2500 is 3400. Okay, done. Second effect of depreciation. We'll go to the question. This one is done. Okay, now we'll close this income and expenditure account. We'll close this first. This will go to outer column because see, why I'll tell you, we have calculated interest 10%, and if we see in income side, that entire 10%, that is 10,000 is received, so nothing is pending, nothing is due, nothing is in advance. So this is clear. So it will go to outer column directly. We'll check this once again. Calculation will check. This is less, right? So 52,000 minus 310, this much, and 350 is to be added. So 51,690 plus 350, this much. Now $52,040 plus 600 will be getting this much, and 52,640 minus 140 will be getting 52,490. Now it is correct. So how much are we getting? 88,000. Look here, 88,520. 88,520. And this side total 72,700. 72,700, right? This sheet is higher, so it will be written on both the side. 88,520, 88,520, and here 88,520 minus 72,700. So we are getting 15,820. This is surplus, and here I will be writing income over expenditure. 15,820 will go to balance sheet, capital fund. Add surplus 15,820. 15,820. So 17,0940 plus 15,820. So we are getting this much, and total of this side is 1,86,910.